My name is Brian Napoli, and I'm the Vice President of Corporate Partnerships for the Philadelphia Eagles, one of the NFL's most recognized teams and home to some of the most passionate fans on the planet. The Eagles brand reaches worldwide. The Eagles logo specifically is core to making connections. It evokes emotion, it evokes passion.
My name is Erica Sorrells. I am the Activation and Partner Solutions Manager at the Philadelphia Eagles. Canva remains open in my browser all day long. One of my favorite features within Canva is the brand kit. This feature allows us to easily share our brand assets and guidelines. Logos, fonts, colors, accents. Our brand is an important part of who we are as a team, but it also helps us connect with our fans, partners, the community. This season, we're especially excited to give fans the unique opportunity to engage with the Eagles brand within Canva by designing custom t-shirts to be worn on the field during pregame. This is a first of its kind of promotion, one that allows fans to showcase not only their love of the team, but their creative side.
Canva provides the security that our branded assets are safe and accessible.
And Canva gives us a way to connect with and empower our fans to fly. Go Birds!